This is the General Overseas Service of All India Radio, welcoming listeners in Northeast Asia, Sri Lanka, Australia and New Zealand. Listeners in Northeast Asia are tuned into us on 13,605 kHz and 15,410 kHz. For listeners in Sri Lanka, our service is available on 1,053 kHz and 7,270 kHz. Listeners in Australia and New Zealand can tune into us on 13,695 kHz, 15,770 kHz, 17,895 kHz, and in DRM mode on the frequency 15,410 kHz. You can also tune into our website, airworldservice.org/English. Rabindranath Tagore said, "Don't limit a child to your own learning, for he was born in another time." We now begin the transmission with the news. Please stand by.
This is All India Radio, the news read by Nishit Kumar. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi terms opposition alliance as a grouping of